Alright guys, so today is giveaway day on the channel and I'm super pumped for this one. Up for grabs is going to be a full 3-piece collection. We've got a dive watch, a field watch, and a digital piece all coming out in this really nice watch roll from Mirage Luxury Travel. Along with the watches and watch roll, I also have 4 straps from Strapsco. We've got a couple of nice leather straps, rubber strap, and a NATO. Before we get to the tabletop where I'm going to show you a little bit more up close what's available, I want to ask something of you guys. I'm going to combine the video where I announce the winners with a Q&A. So I'd like to give you guys the opportunity, if you have any questions, watch related, channel related, or completely unrelated, it's up to you guys. I'm open to anything. So we'll do a combination of announcing the giveaway winner along with the Q&A in that video here in the next couple of weeks. So I'm looking forward to it. I've had a lot of fun doing the Q&As, so that should be fun. So let's switch things up and we'll take a look at the prize. All right, so I'm just going to kind of go through everything one by one, and we'll do it very quickly. I've covered all of this stuff, except for the Strapsco on the channel before. I am going to spend a couple of minutes extra on the Strapsco, but we've talked about the Duro, the Expedition. We've talked about the famous Worldtime on the channel, probably more than one time at this point, and we've also done a video on this Mirage Luxury Travel watch roll, but let's start actually with this. This is a really nice, well-made watch roll. Not real leather, it is a faux leather, faux suede. A couple of neat things about it is, first of all, the pillows have these ridges on either side and they fit nicely down into the slot there. So they're not going to get any watches rolling around in there. It keeps it nice and secure. We'll button it up here. Another great thing about this particular watch roll, and I've had a few of these, this one is not perfectly round. It's got a flat bottom. So a lot of the times the watch rolls you get are completely circular. Throw it on a table and they're always top heavy because they have the watch heads on top and they tend to roll over. So this is going to sit nice and flat if you're traveling. You can put it on your end table or dresser, that sort of thing. When it comes to the watches included in the giveaway, all 3 of these watches, there's an argument to be made that they are the best in their category at their price point, and they beat out a lot of watches that are more expensive than them too. The Worldtime has reached legendary status. This is such a cool watch. We've got a 10-year battery, 100-meter water resistance, tons of functionality, cool looking watch, and just really fun, a really fun watch to wear. When it comes to good grab and go quartz field watches, the Timex Expedition is where it's at. I really like this model with that poppy yellow on the second hand. We've got that nice bead blasted finish. I think there's a really good strap pairing possibility here with the Strapsco straps, so maybe we'll try one of those on it here in a second. Last but not least, and my favorite of the trio, is the famous Casio Duro. This is the blue variant. I think the new models came out early this year, late last year. They came out with the blue and then the black with gold accents, and these are absolutely awesome watches. Very cool that you can get an ISO certified diver at such an affordable price, and these are just excellent. Give the bezel a little turn. Even the bezel action for the price is pretty darn good. So that is the watches. Let's move over to the straps. So if you're not familiar with Strapsco, they carry a ton of strap options from leather to rubber to nylon NATOs, that sort of thing. They even have Apple Watch straps. They have Fitbit straps and OEM straps for brands like Rolex, Panerai, Seiko, several other brands. Bracelets as well. So I think what I'm going to do is just show you a couple of combinations with the straps that I have here. And I'm going to start with the one strap that is not leaving the household. This one isn't part of the giveaway. When Strapsco sent in the straps, they sent me a total of 5, and this leather rally ended up on the Orient Day 1. That was about a month and a half ago. I'm way overdue for this video to share these straps with you guys, but I am really enjoying this combination. I believe I checked on the site, and this particular strap is $30, $29.95, something like that. Well worth it. And since we're around the holidays, I know they have some deals sort of happening here and there, so it might be worth a look on their site for straps like this or any of their other straps as well. So very good quality, really happy with this combination. On the Timex, I have the green suede, and whoever wins these watches, try this combination because this is awesome. This has a really nice taper to this strap. One thing I want to mention too about Strapsco, and I've bought from them for this particular reason a few different times, is they do carry quite a few odd sizes. So if you need 19 millimeters for your vintage Seiko or 21 millimeter straps, they do have a lot of straps with those type of options. Not all of them, but some do. Another thing that they carry with some of their straps is different length options. So if you have a larger wrist, they do have some straps that come in a medium, large, and even extra large. And I know for the guys with the larger wrist, it's a struggle to get straps that fit. So give them a look for that. So I think this is going to be the last pairing for the day. I'll leave the rest of the straps to the new owner to try out when they come in. So one I will suggest, though, is the NATO in the back. I think that's going to look really cool on the Timex too. But we've got a really good quality rubber strap here. Nice soft rubber, quick release, and looks pretty cool. I would have probably normally went for a blue or black strap, but the gray doesn't look too bad on the Duro at all. So I just have to thank Miguel from Socal Watch Reviews. He connected me and a few other YouTubers with Strapsco a little while back, so really appreciate that, Miguel. I'm going to leave a link to his channel in the description below. Make sure to go check him out. So that is it on the prizes. I think what I'll do is I'll gather up all of the prizes, get them in front of the camera again, and tell you guys how you enter to win. Okay, so here is the full lineup of prizes. We've got our straps, watches, and watch roll. Big thanks to Strapsco and Mirage Luxury Travel for contributing some of the prizes. I really appreciate it. To enter, I like to keep things as simple as possible. Just let me know in the comments that you're in. You can word it however you like, and I will automatically enter you into the draw. Now, if you go to the comments section and the comments are disabled, that just means that I've already picked the winner of the giveaway, and the giveaway is closed. I plan to do the drawing of the giveaway sometime around Christmas, give or take a few days. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. I have had giveaways that have gone unclaimed, and this watch here on the left, the Duro, is actually one of those. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss your name potentially being called in the giveaway. Also, don't forget about the Q&A. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll be happy to get to those when I do the drawing of the prize. So really appreciate you guys stopping by today. Good luck to everyone that enters, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.